Welcome to this tutorial where you will learn how to create a simple QR code generator app in just 1 minute using the power of ChatGPT. QR codes have become an essential part of our daily lives, and with this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own QR code generator app in no time. So, let's get started. Simply type provide a code to create a QR code generator app using HTML, CSS, JavaScript in qrcode.js CDN and ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will create a code for it. Now copy and paste the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code into your project, and open the project in Chrome. Now you'll have a fully functional QR code generator. For this tutorial, I hope you found it helpful in creating your own QR code generator app. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.